Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free audio file converter for any Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application name as Android Media Converter by Kang, and on the first list you'll see its developer website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you'll see here releases. Just click on it. Now you can see here tons of APK file. So you can download either ARM8 or ARM7, whichever supports, or you can select the first one, ARM release APK also. So finally the file has been downloaded. Now just click on this open, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on open, click on allow again, click on close. Now at the right bottom you can see here one plus icon. Just click on it. Now select the music file where you have saved. So you can select multiple audio files also. Now click on this arrow icon. Now you can select the various audio formats like MP3, AAC, FLAC, Opus, OGG, MP4, whichever you want. So let me convert it to MP3. So now you can see the MP3 encoder. So you can select here high speed and high quality, whichever you want. So I will select the high quality. Now you can select the bitrate type, PBR or CBR. So I will select the CBR by default. It is being selected, and below the bitrate. So you can select the bitrate depending upon how much bitrate you want to select. And below there is a trim audio silence also. If you have a silent part on your respective audio, then it will automatically trim if you enable this option. So right now I'll just untick it, and once you're done with your settings, click on this right arrow icon again. Now you can select the respective output folder. So let me select this download folder. Let me create new folder here. Click on OK. Now click on this use this folder. Click on allow. Now click on this start option. Now you can see here create job success. So finally we have converted the selected audio files. Now you can click on exit, or you can convert more files by clicking on convert other files. So now in order to find out the location where the converted audio file is being saved, you can just open your file explorer and just go to the internal storage. So in my case I have selected a download folder. So let me open it. So I have created one folder before, media converter. So let me open it. Now you can see the two converted audio files is being saved here. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free audio file converter for any Android smartphones and tablets that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.